Hi everyone. So today we want to discuss about the best solution for our topic, which is flood. So do you guys can see the solution that I found out on the screen?
Yeah,
Yes, can.
can.
Okay, so now we need to discuss which is the best solution. In my opinion, I think that the flood barriers and the SUDS system is the most suitable solution. So what do you guys think?
For me, I think the drainage system SUDS and the another one is flood control dams are the two better ways to control the flood. But I'm not sure whether which one is the best. And I think flood barriers you have to put away when there's no flood, so it needs space for storage.
Yes, I agree with your point.
Yes, I agree too.
So next we discuss about the SUDS system. I think this is the best solution because it can effective in reducing the flood effect and also can improve the quality of the rainwater. So also I think SUDS system has the less disadvantages compared to the other solution.
Yeah, if you have better drainage system, the water will not overflow so easily when there's heavy rain suddenly. I think drainage system is the most important
Yes.
for me lah.
Yeah,
And how about you guys?
How about
most
Goblin?
effective one. I
Yeah,
think
most
so.
effective.
Yeah, SUDS is the most effective because it when the heavy rain occurs, that can the drainage system can clear away the water from being overflowed. Yeah.
But I think it's still have a little disadvantage, right? But I think advantages is more than the disadvantage.
Yes. So how about the third solution?
Dredging rivers, I think, is the most not suitable one because it has more disadvantages and it can make the flood worse and also
Yes.
very expensive. Yeah.
And also damage to the environment too. So forward to the next flood control dams. It also used in preventing the flood. But it has disadvantages to increase the nitrogen levels. Also algae grow.
Yeah, it has chance for eutrophication.
Yeah, and also cause the sediment deposition that may block the passage of the water, right?
Yes. And the microorganism will grow. How about the flood?
I think the flood forecasting and early warning system is just help the people to warn them and ask them to make some early preparation, but it will not prevent the flood. The people have to face the flood also.
Yeah, I agree.
And for the second one, evacuation and shelter management, I think this solution is for the for the victims after the flood. Yeah.
Yeah, so it cannot prevent the flood. Actually, every solution has its own advantages and disadvantages too. So I think we choose that one which have the more advantages than disadvantages. So I think SUDS system is the most suitable solution for our topic. You guys
Yes.
agree?
Yeah,
Agree.
I agree.
Okay, so in conclusion, we decide that the SUDS system is the best solution for the flood to reducing the flood effect and also prevent the flood. So that's all about our group discussion. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.